In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track project management and scheduling in Airtable. We're going to start right from the Airtable homepage and use one of their pre-built solutions, then explore the different views and interfaces that help you plan projects, schedule tasks, and keep your team aligned. First, open your browser and go to the Airtable website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can create and customize bases. Once you're in, look for the section or button labeled Templates and Apps. This is where Airtable keeps ready-made setups that you can use as a starting point instead of building everything from scratch. In the template search bar, type in the word highlight. You'll see a result with a description along the lines of plan and set deadlines, view progress, and make updates to all of your projects in real time. Click on that option. This template is designed for project and task tracking with scheduling built in. Next, click on Try this template. Airtable will create a new base in your workspace using that setup. Once it opens, you'll see an interface with different sections and views. In the walkthrough you're following, certain elements are highlighted on screen. Each time you see a highlight, simply click where indicated so you can move through the guided experience. Continue clicking the highlighted areas until you reach the main workspace labeled Work. Here you'll see different project spaces. Choose the example project, then follow the on-screen highlight again so Airtable can walk you through the structure. From there, select Projects and Tasks. This opens the core project management interface. Inside, click on the Schedule view. This is where you'll see your work laid out over time, often using a timeline or Gantt-style display so you can understand start dates, due dates, and dependencies. Next, follow the prompt to switch to Kanban. This view organizes tasks into columns, usually by status, which is great for seeing what's in progress and what's blocked. Then, click on Roadmap to see a higher-level overview of projects and milestones. Click on Data to dive into the underlying tables that power these views. You'll find separate tables for people, projects, and tasks. Open each one. People for your team members, projects for the initiatives you're tracking, and tasks for the individual pieces of work linked back to projects and assignees. When a pop-up explanation appears, click Got it to close it. Use the Add button to create new records or fields as needed. Then click on Interfaces to return to the visual dashboards. Go back into the Work interface and open My Tasks to see a focused view of tasks assigned to a specific person. Finally, follow the last highlighted area to complete the guided tour of this project management and scheduling setup in Airtable.